Okay, we have BCD, which is shown, and then they give us some information. So I'm going to actually write on here that information, and then we can see what we're solving for. So measure of CBA is 48. Measure of CDA is 30. And AC is 4. So we're given the height. We want to find BC, which we'll call X, and AB, which we'll call Y. All right, so I can see we have this one right triangle right here, where this is 48, this is 4, and we want to find X and Y. So we don't actually need the other triangle. That's kind of weird that they gave us this. So we have the opposite, and we're going to use that to find the hypotenuse and the adjacent. So let's start with X and find the hypotenuse using the opposite. So that would be sine of the angle equals opposite over hypotenuse. I'm going to times both sides by the denominator. So X times sine of 48 equals 4. And then divide both sides by sine of 48 to get X. And we're rounding to 2 decimal places. So 4 divided by sine of 48 degrees, make sure you're in degrees, 5.38. Okay, now we want to find AB. So now we're going to use the opposite to find the adjacent, which is tangent. So tangent of our angle equals opposite over adjacent, and it's the same steps. Multiply by the denominator. And then divide by the tangent. So I'm just going to go change that to tangent, T-A-N. And everything else is the same, so 3.60. So on that one, we actually didn't even need the second triangle.